All right, the dreaded kitchen sink window. Couple things about this that are important. This is going to be one of your dirtiest, hardest windows to clean, and the reason is very simple. There's egg on here, there's flies on here, there's oil on here, there's grease, there's everything you can imagine on this glass. So when you're cleaning this, it's really important you just scour it really good. One thing I want to point out real quick on a liability standpoint. When you come to a kitchen window, I want you to look for scratches on the window prior to you cleaning. And the reason for that is most customers are going to have this particular type of pad next to their sink, in their sink, or whatever. And what they like to do sometimes is take this scouring pad on the back that is not okay to clean with glass, and they like to come and use it on the glass. So you're going to find when they're doing that they're actually causing scratches on the glass. So for a liability standpoint, just pay close attention to this particular piece of glass, look for those type of signs of scratches, and communicate with the customer right away. Don't clean the window and come to them after and expect them to say, oh yeah, I did that. No, they're going to point at you and say you did that. So that is just one pointer I'm going to give out. I know this is a little bit longer than normal, but liability wise, this is your enemy when it comes to scratching that glass. Anyways, let's get started. All right, same. I like to go for the 4-aught steel wool on these. And again, good elbow grease. This is where you get your workout in. You got egg and all that stuff on here. Want to get it nice and clean. There you go. This one again, I am going to do the side to side. I just feel like doing it today. Look at 2 strokes. Easy to run. See all that dirty water. Look at that. Coffee, you name it, it's on there. Because this kitchen window people look out of this all the time, it's got to be perfect. Come down, bring in your stroke. Bring it to the middle. And again, right here behind the handle, make sure you get that water good. And also keep an eye out by that handle. People open their windows up, so their knuckles are getting on there and they're leaving their grease, their body grease on there. So make sure that that looks nice. Wipe all that down. And just do your finished touch here on the frame. And again, we put the rag in the track. All good there. All right, another squeaky clean window.